Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss some interesting facts regarding our globe, that is the Earth. And as we all know that each and everything on our Earth is so beautiful. The valleys, the oceans, the Atlantic oceans, the mountains, greeneries all around. It is quite famous, and in each and every country, it has a different environment over there. So you can see different different atmosphere in each and every country and subcontinents. So we are in the same series in which we are going to discuss some interesting facts. Let's go on to our uh, particular thing which we are going to discuss today. As we are living in India, so we will take India as a perspective of taking to the different sort of things. So this is our India, that is known as Pyara Bharat. And when we come to west of it, you will see the country named as United Arab Emirates, and when you zoom it out, you will see Dubai. Dubai is the city of UAE, and it is coastal uh, city, and you will see a island here which is known as artificial the World's Island. The World's Island is basically constructed by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. He is ruler of Dubai, and it is situated in Persian Gulf basically, and it is around 4 kilometers away from the coast of Dubai. So it is around 4 kilometers, and it is spread in the area of around 14,000 to 42,000 square meters, and its construction cost was around rupees sorry $13 billion, and it was constructed by two Dutch companies as joint venture whose name is Van Oord and Volkswagen. And the government which owned company was totally responsible for construction was Nakheel Property and Developers, who are basically government or owned organization over in UAE, and this is constructed beautifully, and whole world political map has been submerged, you can say, in it, and each and every country over here is totally surrounded with the oceans of particular near Dubai, and you will see each and every country placed over here in the same place as it is been noted in that particular world political map. And each and every continent you will see, here it is South America, here it is North America, here is Asia, all, and this is Australia. These all continents you will be able to see over here, which are totally available on the world map. So it totally replicates the thing, but only difference is that whole country is totally separated out, and it is having a good source of oceans to each and every country provided to them. Taking example of India, India is as situated in the same place, but is not having the same exact shape which India is having nowadays, or any country is having nowadays. So basically you can see India, and in north of India you will see Pakistan and Nepal, and in south you will see Sri Lanka. As of same, it has been showcased in our world map, where we can see each and every country is there in the particular places. So it is a very beautiful place all around in Dubai, and it is very beautiful place to visit in. So I will suggest each and everyone to visit over here once you get any chance over here to visit. It is a very beautiful place, and it will be a great opportunity for each and everyone to spend time over here. So it is my duty to share some views and give some ideas to you. So it is very good to see. It will be good to see if you all try to go over there and have an opportunity to visit this place. It will be a good uh, time with you, and this will be a good place to visit basically. So just be connected with such a for such interesting facts and figures of our earth, so that you can know what are there in the different places which are having some interesting things over in our world series. And we will connect lots of places again forward in the upcoming videos. So stay connected with it, and thank you.